In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and edit a table of contents in Google Docs. If you've ever worked on a lengthy document, you know how helpful a table of contents can be to keep everything organized and easy to navigate. So let's dive into the steps to create a seamless and professional-looking table of contents in your Google Docs document. To start, the first crucial step is to apply heading styles to the segments of your document you want to include in the table of contents. This is important because the table of contents function relies on these designated headings to generate a structured list. First, open your Google Docs document. Once you have it up on your screen, highlight the text you want to designate as a heading. This might be your chapter titles or main sections. Next, look for the Normal Text drop-down menu in your toolbar. It's usually near the font and text alignment settings. Click on this drop-down to reveal the style options available to you. Here, you'll see a range of heading styles from Heading 1 to Heading 6. Choose Heading 1 for your main sections, as this is typically used for the most significant parts of your document. For subsections, you can select Heading 2, 3, and so on, as fits the hierarchy of your content. Continue this process for every title and subheading throughout your document that you wish to include in your table of contents. Assigning these heading styles is essential because it sets the foundation for an accurate and functional table of contents. Now that your document is neatly structured with headings, you're ready to insert the table of contents. Start by placing your cursor where you want it to appear. A common spot is right at the beginning of your document, so it's easily accessible. Once your cursor is in place, head over to the top menu and click on Insert. From the drop-down, navigate to Page Elements, and from there, select Table of Contents. You'll see a couple of style options here. If you prefer a table with page numbers, which looks more traditional with dotted lines, you can choose that. Alternatively, if you want a hyperlinked table that allows readers to jump straight to sections without scrolling, selecting with blue links might suit your purpose best. This option doesn't include page numbers but makes navigation quick and easy, especially for digital documents. Once you've made your selection, a table of contents will automatically pop up, listing all the headings you've formatted throughout your document. And there you have it, a professional table of contents that's easy for your readers to use. With these steps, you've successfully added and customized a table of contents in Google Docs, making your document more structured and reader-friendly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps make your documents much easier to navigate.